Tower United 2840 though.
Roger. United 2840 Heavy, runway 25 right, line up and wait.
Line up and wait 25 right, United 2840 Heavy.
Tower American 1721, the fog for visual 25 right.
American 1721 Heavy, LA Tower, runway 25 right, clear to land, caution wind turbulence, a heavy jet departs prior to your arrival.
25 right, clear to land, American 1721.
United 2840 Heavy, wind calm, traffic on a 3-mile final behind you, RNAV Docker, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff. United 2840, clear for takeoff, over.
United 2840, clear for takeoff.
United 2840, traffic's inside a 2-mile final. I'd like you to start rolling, please.
We're rolling.
Just doesn't look like it from here. American 1721, go around, climb and maintain 2000.
Okay, American 1721, going around, going to 2000.
American 1721, turn left heading 230 at this time.
230 on the heading for American 1721.
United 2840 Heavy, contact departure. Thanks for nothing.
Yeah, 2040 today.
American 1721 Heavy, stay on the 230 heading and contact approach on 124.3.
24.3 on the heading American 1721. LA Tower American 1721, we're back with you for the visual 25 right times 2.
American 1721, runway 25 right, clear to land. Traffic will not depart prior to your arrival.
Okay, 25 right, clear to land for 1721, thank you.
American 1721, turn right at Charlie 9, taxi to parking.
Charlie 9 depart for American 1721.
Sorry for that heavy jet last time around.
No worries.